Okay friends, coming to engineering drawing so far we have discussed different topics: lines, solids, projection of solids, section of solids. Next will discuss about orthographic projections, the development of the orthographic projections. So what is the use of these orthographic projections? By developing the orthographic projections, we can get visibility of an object in three-dimensional, which means we can get the detailed information of every part in the object. That is the advantage of the orthographic projections. Suppose if you give one view, or either front view or top view or side view, we could not understand that view cannot give the detailed information of the information of that object. So therefore can understand when the orthographic projections are provided or developed, we can visualize the entire object in detail. So that is the advantage of the orthographic projections. Okay, coming to this problem, this is the problem. Draw front, top, right side views of a block shown here. So this is the diagram. Of course, this I have drawn with the free hand. So I could not get the 100% perfect diagram, but please understand here. I will explain. This is the diagram is given. To this diagram, we have to develop the front view, top view and side view. Okay, if you observe this diagram, first we have to understand what is the dimensions that are given. That observe that dimensions you clearly observe and understand. Suppose if you want to draw the front view, first you have to develop a block with the length and height. In the front view, obviously we can get length and height. So with length and height, you draw a box here. That may be rectangular or square depending on the length and height. If you see here in this diagram, 25 plus 20 plus 25. Of course, in between there are some other parts we can discuss later. Next, 25 plus 20 plus 25, that is 70. So therefore, first you have to draw the 70 with a horizontal line. Coming to that, if you see here height, carefully you have to observe the diagram. What is the total height? From here to here, the total height is 28. So that from here to here 28, you draw rectangular box. First. Once you develop the rectangular box with the light lines, then you coming to that parts. First you have to draw the, of course, you see that here the line is visible. This block is visible. This is also visible in this direction. You see, this is the front view in this direction. You see that this is the projection. That width equal to 6. That depth equal to height equal to 6. The width equal to 20. From here to here is 25. You see here, if you here, these 15. This is also 15. This is equal to 8. This is a slant edge from here to here. From this is the 8. If you see that here 8 to 24, 8 to 15. If you sum up that, you can get 70. So therefore, from here to this 15, 8 to 24. 24, if you see that, we can divide into 3 parts. 3 parts means from here to here, this is a slant edge. This is the 8 is there. That means this is the part. This is the 8. This is the 8. So these 3 8s add, that get 24. That is the 24. You can understand here. So this is the 8. This is the 24. This is the 8. This 24 is parts are. This is the 8 from here to here 8, from here to here 8, this is the 8, from here to here this is the 8, this is the 8, this is the 8. So if you sum up that, this is the 40, this is the 40. So this is also equal to 40. You see here 16, 8, 8, 8. Of course this is the 8 plus 8 from to here, this is the 8 plus this is the 8. Of course it's not appropriate, please try to understand. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 40. So this is also 40. So like this you have to divide. This is the 15, this is the 15, this is the 15, this is the 28. So here bottom is the 6. So these are the details. These are the details. Here also you can understand. Height, this is the divided. These are the projections here. This is the gap is here. This is the 4. This height equal to 5. From here to here 12. Here to here 12. If you add this one, 12 plus 5 17. 17 plus 4 21. 21 plus 7 28. This is equal to 28. So like this you have to carefully observe the diagram and you have to divide the dimensions. So divide the dimensions. So you coming to here, next you coming to here, if you see that you draw this the block is clearly visible. This block is clearly visible, so that I draw the block first. This is the block first. Then I divided. This is the 25, 20, 25, 20, 25. So here 20, you get down the 6 mm. This is also 6 mm. You draw this line. Add this line so that you can get this projection. This is a projection, that box. Next, this is the 7. You see here, from here, this is the 15. From you coming to here 15. 15 to this is the above 7. This is the above this belt. This height equal to 4 plus 5 plus 12, 21. So therefore, from here to here you draw a vertical line. 15 you draw a vertical line. Vertical line, once you completed that vertical line, you draw a parallel line with 8. Understand? 8. So this is the 8. Next you draw the another line here. Simply draw the another line here 8. Understand here? Once you draw this 8. These are the 8. You make it separated with 8 from here to here. 8. Once you divided 5 parts with 8 mm, this is the 8. So from 8 to 8, this is from to 8. You see that here, this is the projection is above, this projection is above 8, above 4, from here to here 4. So therefore, from here to here, you draw 4, look at the 4 mm, here also 4 mm, you draw a horizontal line. From here to here, draw a vertical line with 5 mm. You see here, 5 mm. Then you can join this point and this point. In the same way, you can join this point and this point. Same way, here also you projected here at 15, you are draw a project a vertical line here. This is the 8, this is the 8. Then you make it 5 parts with 8 mm. Once you divided 8 mm, each 8 mm, this is the 8, this is the 8, this is the 8, this is the 8, this is the 8. Here you leave 4 mm, here also leave 4 mm, you draw horizontal line, you join this one. Here this is the 5, this is the 5, this is the 5, with 5 mm, you draw the vertical lines here. Once you draw this vertical line, this is the 12, we know that here, this is the 12, from here to here, you join here, here to here, you join here. Okay, you join here. Then whatever remaining lines are to be erased. Remaining lines once, because first you have to construct the box. Once these are the lines are visible, rest of the lines should be removed. So that I have removed this line. Actually, this is the box. Initially, I constructed box like this. In this box, I have constructed the front view. So this is the front view. Like this, we can now develop the front view for this diagram. Next, you can see the top view and side view. Okay. Once we get the front view, then you have to develop the top view. In the top view, you see that this object is in the first angle in this direction. Now are looking in this direction. So therefore, in the top view, what are the dimensions are coming here? Length, width. Please understand. Length and width in the top view, we can see that. So therefore here, this is the length, this is the width. Length equal to, already I know that, 70. Width equal to, this is the 40. First, by using this 2 dimensions, you draw rectangle. You draw rectangle. From this rectangle, these are the parts, they are to be extended into the parts, projectors, they are extended into the top view. Once I developed this rectangle 70 and 40, you simply coming over here. So at this point, whatever points are visible, the points simply extended or draw the projectors. From here, this is the 15, I draw a line here simply. Here also 8, here also I draw a line here, 8. Here also, if you observe this one, this is the 20, this is the 8 plus 8 plus 8 to 24, there is a 20, so that if 4 is left, that 4 is equally distributed either side. From here to here, this is the 2 mm, this is the 2 mm, this is the 2 mm, please understand. Here also, this is the 2 mm. So therefore, this is the line 15, this is the line 8, this is the projected, this is the 2, that is also projected, that is a dotted line. Why you have to dotted line? Why have to draw dotted line? This is not visible. This projection, this line is not visible. The objects, parts, lines which are not visible, obviously they are shown by the dotted line. So this line is not visible. That line is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. That line is not bottom. They are not visible. So that is shown by dotted line. Again, this is the from here to here. This is the 8. That is the line is extended. From here to here, that is the extended full line, and again this is the 8, this is the 8, you see here, this is the 8, this is the line, this is the dotted line, because this is the line is not visible, this line is not from in the top view, they are not visible, so that this part is, this line is so this is the line is this line is bottom line, this is dotted line. Beside that, this is the line. This is the part 8, from here to here 8, that is the visible, they are the full line. So again, this is the part, this is the line, this is the line, this is the extended here, and this is the extended here. So simply from the front view, you can extend the lines, the parts of the lines simply extended on the top view, so that easily we can develop the top view. So these lines which are not visible, they are to be shown by the dotted line. Here I have got only these two lines are dotted, because this is the line, this part bottom, this is not visible, this part is not visible, so that I have to draw shown this dotted line. You see here I have shown the dimensions 15, from here to here 8, from here to here 8, next from here to here 8, from here to here 8, here to here 8, but this is the inner part is there, this is from here to here 2, here to here 2 mm. So therefore how did I get that 2 mm? You see here, from here to here 24, this is the 20, you deduct from the 24 20, 4 is left, that 4 is equally shared either side, this is the 2, this is the 2, like that I distributed here. Okay, so therefore this projection is 2, from here to here 2, so that is the dotted line. This is the 2 I have shown here. Again from here to here 8, this is the 8, from here to here 8, this is the 8, this is the 8, again this is the 8, from here to here 8, that is also shown. In between this from here to here, there is this is the line, bottom this part is there is a projection, there is the line that is not visible, so that is from here to here the distance is 2, that is distance is 2, I have shown here 2, this is the dotted line, so this is the line, full line. So when you are seeing when we are observing the object from the top view, this line is visible, 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 okay. So this line is visible, this line is visible, this line is visible. Only these lines, these projection, bottom, the two are not visible, so that these two are shown by dotted line. So like this we can develop the top view. Okay, I have shown all the number, all the measurements. Okay, coming to that, so if you see in this direction, this is with respect to you, this is the right side view, So the right side view, we are developing here. Okay, right side is developing here. You simply again we can develop the right side view also from the front view. From the front view, in the right side view, what are the dimensions? They are coming outer lines. You see here from this in this direction, is the width is coming 40. This height is coming 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6, that is equal to 34. That is the 34. Simply I drawn here. 28 plus 6, 34. Yes, down here. 34. 34. This is the 6 up to this 24. Up to this 24. Okay. You see here with the 24 height, 34 height, total height, including this bottom projection. 34 width equal to this is the 40. This is the 40. This is the right side view. 40. So you see here simply once you draw this rectangle, you simply projectors from the front view you can projectors. What are things are here? They are simply projectors. Projectors are projected. You see here from here. This is the bottom line is here. Bottom, this is the projection. This is the part is there. This part length. This is simply extended. That is the bottom. That is the bottom. Bottom. Okay. Next, above this 6, this is the line is there. This line is there. This is also extended. This is also drawn here. I can explain later what is the full line, what is the dotted line. Again, you see here in the front view. This is the 7 height. 7 height is 7 is there. This is also full line. This line is this line. This line. This is from you see in this direction. This is the bottom. This is the 6 mm projection. Above that 7. Okay, now 7 is over. After that there is a gap here. After 7, there is a 4 mm here. From here to here, this is this part gap 4 mm. That is here. This one 4 mm. This is also projected 7. Above that, this is the projection. This is the projector. This is the projected here. Thus thinking this is equal to 4. I have shown here 4. This gap from here to here 4. And again this part is also extended. This is also extended. This line is also extended. Projected. This is also extended. That is also 4 to 5. You see here from here. This is the 5. This is the 5. This is the 5. 5. Okay. And 5. Above that, this is a 12. This is the 12. Here also given 12. This is the 12. This is the 12. Simply you got right side view. So what are the lines to be full line and what are the lines to be dotted line? You see here these dotted lines. What are the dotted lines are here? This is the dotted line. These things is not visible. This is not. This is the point. This is not visible when you are looking in this direction, right side view. This is also not visible. This is also not visible. This is also not visible. This line is not visible. This line is also not visible. This line is also not visible. So therefore, those two lines should be shown by dotted lines. This line and this line. This is the 4 mm. This is the 4 mm. You see from here. This is the 4 mm. This is the 5 mm. This is the 4 mm. This is the 5 mm. So therefore, this 4 mm. This is the 5 mm. These two lines are dotted lines. These things are visible. This the line is bottom line. This is the bottom. This full line is there. Full line is there. So that can be visible from the bottom. This is the full line. This is also line. This line is a full line above 6. This is the full line. You see in this direct full line. This is also this is the 7 thickness. This is also full line. This is the full line. Full line. So this is the difference between these two. 4. That is dotted line. This is also not visible. This is the 5. That is the dotted line. Above rest of the dimension. This is 12. So that you can draw like this. This is the right side view. Like this we can develop the front view, top view, right side view. Anyhow, first you have to develop the front view. From the front view, we can develop the top view and side view. It may be a right side view or left side view. In this problem, we can develop the right side view. So once you develop the front view, easily we can develop the top view and side view. Okay. Thank you.